Yeah.
That's actually mic'd up to this guy here.
Okay, so that's volume as well. Yeah, great. I'd like to say a few words about genetically modified crops in the energy industry. It's something that we don't actually get a lot of attention to because the concentration is on GM with the excuse of feeding the world, and we get attention to the harmful side effects of ingestion of genetically modified food crops. But there is a huge laboratory at large in the world trying to fuel our power stations and our cars with bioenergy. They have even gone so far as to genetically engineer trees, whole trees. There's genetically modified eucalyptus trees growing in South America where they think that they can create the growth that it takes 30 years for a normal tree, 30 to 40 years for a normal tree to grow to maturity. They can actually do it in 5 or 6. But there are other promises that come with this fast-growing trees. Incidentally, they only grow that fast in the tropics, which is something telling about the wonderful boost that the GN factor involved in this supplies. They tell us that they will require less water. They'll tell us that they are actually have built-in fungicide properties, built-in pesticide properties. This is devastating for both the soil and any plants and animals that use these major crops and trees to flourish in the biodiverse world. Insects die because the grubs are repelled by the genetically modified factors in trees and in, for example, palm oil plantations, genetically modified maize, and what is the other one? Jatropha. Also, there's a human justice element in all this too. Not just because the multinational companies wish to patent and seize the rights to grow and develop these crops, but also in their experiments with the bioenergy, huge populations are dispossessed of their land and virgin forests are cut down to make way for these so-called wonder crops.